And so I'm walking down these steps, and I don't see them, but I just hear a few rooms away that they're getting ready for bed, and there's about 20 girls, ages 5, 10, 15, 18 years old, 20 of them just singing this song to Jesus. And in the moment, like, something hit me hard on the inside of me wishing I could be at home right now, tucking my little man into bed, saying prayers with my little girls. And here these girls were. They didn't have parents to tuck them into bed. They didn't really have their own bedroom to go to. And they're sitting there singing in the dark, singing in the rain to Jesus. And so I pulled out my phone and I recorded their song, and this is what it sounded like.